can use the AppNaComplex app to send out emails to particular residents. This video will explain how to send emails to a single housing block of your choice. To send out block-wise emails, you must be a community administrator. First, go to the menu on the left of the screen and click on Directory. In the drop-down menu that opens, click on Members. This opens a new page. At the top, you can see the list of housing blocks available in your apartment complex. Select your choice and click on Go. This lists out every member of that block. To send the email to every member of that block, tick the box available at the top left corner next to block number. This automatically selects every email ID listed under that block. However, you can even select individual members by ticking the box that corresponds to their name. At the bottom of the list, there are two small icons. The one shaped like a little envelope allows you to email the selected members. The one shaped like a mobile phone allows you to SMS them instead. To send the email, click on the Email option. This opens a new page. Here you can type out the subject and the body of the email. You can even attach any files that you wish to. Once you have written your email, click on the Send Message option at the bottom of the page. The email will be sent. Thanks for your time.